Question number 21. Okay. Now, a variable resistor with a resistance of range of 0 to 6 kilo ohm is connected in series with two resistors of fixed value, which is already given to you. Okay. Let me pull this up. Right. Just a moment. Right. Okay. The cell in the circuit has an 18 volt EMF and a negligible internal resistance. What is the maximum range of PD that can be observed between X and Y? Between X and Y, what is the range of PD that you can have when I vary this? Okay, now towards it, if I make, see what is the minimum value here? 0 kilo ohm. Okay, if I make this 0, the current passing through this would be, I will now be equal to 18 divided by 6 plus 6 will be 12. Now, potential difference in that case, V1 would be equal to 18 by 12 multiplied by what will be the resistance here? The resistance here would be 6 plus 0, which will be 6. 6 ones are, 6 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 nines are. Thus, the potential difference would be 9 volt over here. Okay, now let us look at the extreme case. Extreme case is V2 should now be, sorry, I2. First, let us find I2. I2 should now be, this is I1. I2 should now be 18 volt divided by 6 plus 6 plus 6, which is 18 over here, which is 1 ampere. And your current here, sorry, voltage will be, V2 would be equal to 1 multiplied by 6 plus 6, which is 12. 12, so this should be 12 volt. Thus, your voltage here can vary between 9 volt to 12 volt. 9 volt to 12 volt, answer is C.